29 piece super thin wrench sets from Grips, and it has sizes from 8 to all the way to 32. It comes in a nice bag for organization. Really thin. Use it against a against a regular one. You can see it's almost 3/4 of half to 3/4 of the actual thickness. Almost half. It's smaller than the regular one, so it has two sides. It has one on each side, so 12 and 13. Good sets to have, and this is the biggest one that have 30 and 32. It's missing a 31 in there, which most of the stuff don't have use 31. So if you're looking to buy something cheap and something you rarely need, I highly recommend you buy one of these. You can pick this up from Princess Auto for like on sale for $24. So it's cheap sets to have. When you need it, right?